Do you know the top 3 upgrades that'll get you the best bang for your buck on a remodel? Hi, I'm Becky Gibson with Century 21, and I'm going to tell you the top 3 things to get the biggest return on your investments. The top 3 are, drumroll please, kitchen, bath, and flooring. Not only will these 3 things give you the best return, but it will also help make your house more sellable. The level of renovation depends on your intentions for the property. So if you intend on staying for a while, I say go big. If you intend on selling though, just keep it simple and small and tastefully done and within your budget. The idea here is just to keep it new, clean, and ready to move in. Again, kitchen, bath, and floors, best bang for your buck. Remember, I'm Becky Gibson with Century 21 and Becky Sells Granbury.